Hi guys, I am outside of Walmart. We're going to go in there right now and see the new spring styles from brands like Free Assembly, Time and Tru, and Jessica Simpson. I'm so excited. Okay guys, so starting with the celebrity pink section, I am seeing celebrity pink blouses and tops for $16.50. And if you remember in my last try on, I actually tried one of these tops on in the coral color. I love it. I wear it so much now. It is so cute with jeans, and I love it in the coral. If you are spring season, or if you just love spring colors, then this one is so cute. But one of the things I loved about it was the bow detailing, the scrunch, and the lace right here. And I love the scrunch ruching right here. It hides any imperfections, sorry. And I also love it in this print though. It's super, super cute, right? I love that. Okay, I'm going to link it down below. Now I'm also noticing that Jessica Simpson also has some new jeans out. This looks like the wide leg style. This is a collaboration between Jessica Simpson and Celebrity Pink. So these jeans are the wide leg washed denim jeans, and looks like they have them in sizes 2 through 20. I want to say I'm going to link them down below so you could get a better look at them. But yeah, I love this wash denim look. These are also very cute. This is the celebrity pink wide leg style, and I love that there's a drawstring. I feel like everyone's doing drawstrings now. Such a comfortable looking jean. I might need to try these on. Coming back over to celebrity pink right here. This is celebrity pink pointel top, and very cute. It's very cute in light blue, like a robin's egg blue, but I also like it in white. I'm gonna try this one on. I'm gonna try this one on for you guys. Very cute. I don't see a price here, but I will link it down below. It also is paired with these Bridgerton style tiered skirts. Very cute by Celebrity Pink. Both of these come in sizes extra, extra small through extra, extra large. And this is super cute, actually. Also comes in this muted green tiered skirts. And then I'm seeing some cute short skirts. Very cute by Celebrity Pink. Now here is the same tiered skirt by Celebrity Pink. It is $19.50 and it's from their Bridgerton collection. It's very cute. I'm going to try this on with a t-shirt. I'm loving it. Let me see if they have my size. It looks like they're almost sold out. Oh my gosh. Now, I never tried this on for you guys, but this is a very cute top Bridgerton collection. It is, I believe it's $19.50. It's their square neck top by Celebrity Pink Bridgerton collaboration. And I just really love this crocheted look, and the applique, the detail that's appliqued on it is so cute. And I would just pair this with a tank top. And if you don't love the cardigan style here, you could go for this more current looking cardigan style, also by Celebrity Pink. Comes in sizes extra small through double XL, and very cute. Also comes in the blue. Very cute. And this is $19.50. I want to come in and show you this basic by No Boundaries. I love that there's a built-in shelf bra. And there's also some padding. You can remove that. It's easily removable. But I was just really impressed with the construction of this top, especially for the price. I think it's like $7, $6.98. Also comes in, oh my gosh, there's a wild dog in here, you guys. It also comes in white. Same thing. It has a shelf bra and some padding there too. So very impressed with that. Comes in sizes extra small through double XL, I think. Okay, here are some Free Assembly t-shirts, $15. Looks like sizes extra, extra small through triple XL. Very cute, striped, very versatile. And I love this scoop neck. Very cute. I'm going to try this on for you. Love these stripes. Very nautical themed. I love the gold buttons down the front and the V-neck. Very cute with jeans. And we got some Free Assembly tank tops, $8. Love this bright color. I'm going to try this one on. And I love the high square neck. Also seems like it would be strapless bra friendly. Some of this looks like really good casual Friday workwear, like the Free Assembly cargo pants for $32. with the big front pockets. That's one thing I love about them is the way they construct their pants. They're really high quality. They do have my size, so I'm gonna try these on. And then I'm really drawn to this striped shirt. I'm really into striped shirts, but I don't know if they look good on me. So you guys let me know. I'm gonna try one on. Just let me know what you think down below in the comments. Does the striped shirt look good on me? And why am I so drawn to them? I don't know. This is the cardigan I tried on for you all in the last video. I think it's just darling. It's so cute with the gold buttons. I highly recommend this cardigan. It's just so cute. This cardigan's by Time and Tru for, I believe, $22, $22.98. And I love these Time and Tru jeans. Again, did I tell you how much I love their big front pockets? Free Assembly has such great organic cotton crop box tees. I do want to see how long these are. They're not too short, which is really nice. They make for a really nice basic. I'm going to go ahead and try this one on for you so you get a feel for it. They're only $10. Come in sizes extra small through double XL, I believe. Literally all of them are so cute. The striped and the blue are so cute. Very, very good value for your money. Showing you the other variety of colors that Free Assembly's offering. Got the baby pink, the navy blue, the white, the black, the stripes. I actually love the one she's wearing in the photo, but I'm not sure it's here. Let's look for it. Let's see. No, I don't see it. It must be an online thing. There's a baby. Not very happy. It's around nap time, so probably needs a nap. Looks like more looks from Jessica Simpson. Baggy wide leg pants for $29.50 and a really cute button down, half button down shirt, although it's getting a little bit too warm for this right now. Look at how cute this Free Assembly jean jacket is. Oh my gosh. If they have my size, I'm going to try it on for you all. They do. Okay, I'm going to try on the small. So cute. Oh my gosh. Also, these tops are pretty cute too by Free Assembly. It is a sweater material, kind of a knit material. I'm going to check out the blue for you all. I'm going to try it on. If they have my size. Yeah, this is super cute. And it's very wearable under a white jean jacket or a dark one or a jean one. Also very cute with white shorts or white capri pants. Okay guys, I'm heading to the fitting room. I think I have all of the things I want to try on for you all. I was just about to go to the fitting room and then I spotted these shorts by Time and Tru. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I just spotted these shorts by Time and Tru. I'm going to try them on because I heard the more tailored look is in right now. No more cutoff, so I'm going to try them on for you all. And I swore I wasn't going to put on shorts, but I guess I am. Oh no. This is so cute by Scoop. Oh my gosh. Or no, this is by Free Assembly. What am I saying? Yeah, Free Assembly. Let's see if they have my size. Don't try it on. Oh, it looks like it's on clearance. Okay, I don't want to do that to you guys because it might not be available everywhere, so scratch that. Okay guys, what did you think of those collections? I thought there was some really cute stuff by Free Assembly. Let me know down below in the comments. Go watch my last video. I think you're going to really enjoy it. It's other styles from Walmart. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all next time. Love you all. Bye.